Hello guys, good evening, good day, good evening. So today I decided to prepare another hibiscus tea in the house. So I first wash my hibiscus tea, place it in the soak it in this pot on the fire for several hours. Then later I set my fire and put it on the fire. So as you can see, my hibiscus tea is getting ready. That's Sobolo is getting ready on the fire. So the recipe is you just get your hibiscus tea leaf, you soak it in the water for several hours. As you can see, the vapor is coming out of it. You soak it in the water for some time. Then when it becomes red, or the color of the water becomes very deep, then what you have to do is you get your pot on fire, then you pour it inside, or you just use this one is an aluminium or seal. So I just transfer it inside and it's on the fire. As you can see, it's very red. As you can see, very the color. This is the Sobolo. So as you can see, the hibiscus leaves are inside it. It is getting ready. So after it's done, you add your ingredients or spices to it, like cloves, pepper, ginger. After you finish blending it, then you squeeze the water inside. Then your pineapple flavor or pineapple itself, you blend it, then you add it to it. Then after that, you add your sugar. If you are a person that you don't like sugar, you can leave it like that. Or if you like sugar, you can just add some teaspoons of sugar to it. Then your hibiscus tea is ready, or your Sobolo is ready to be consumed. This is a simple recipe of how Sobolo is being prepared. So you can try it in your house. You just get the hibiscus tea, you get your spices or your ingredients that to make the Sobolo taste very well. Then you prepare your own Sobolo, because the ones that people sell in the market, most of them they add a lot of sugar. But if you try to consume those food that they sell around, you later get diabetes. So it's better you prepare your own hibiscus tea in the house. As you can see, the vapor coming out of it, you can prepare it. It's just a simple remedy or simple recipe that you can just use to prepare your Sobolo. It's very simple, so you can try it in your house. You see, as you can see, it looks very red. So this is how the Sobolo is being prepared. So this homemade Sobolo is very easy to prepare, so you can try it. And there are a lot of benefits from drinking this hibiscus tea, because it lower your blood sugar. If you are someone who is having pressure, when you take it, it lower your pressure, it boosts the immune system, it also regulates the blood, it prevents any sickness from entering your body, because when you consume it, it contains some antioxidant, which is very good for the system. So always consume Sobolo and prevent yourself from taking those soft drinks. They are not good because they are sugary. So I recommend Sobolo to you because it's very healthy. When you take it, you always be healthy because it will lower your sugar level. Yes, so Sobolo is very good. You can prepare it in the house and you consume it. Thank you so much. You can like and share my video for more videos like this. See, for more videos like this. Thank you.